is up, guys? It is the next day. I am finished work, literally done a quick change, in and out, heading down to the garage. It's getting pretty dark out, but Aaron grabbed the generator off your mate Keith. Cheers, Keith, legend. Keith is also doing a K20 EG hatch build, and he has it up and running and got his exhaust done yesterday. I will input clip here of the exhaust going vroom vroom. So that's exciting. Another K20 build nearly on the road. I'm hoping that Aaron is going to get my arches and stuff done tonight. I'm going to jump on Aaron's engine bay. I'm going to get his engine bay scotched down and ready for paint. So yeah, guys, let's get down to this garage and finally see the garage with lighting and a bit of power. In the past couple of months, it's been an absolute headache. Big things coming soon. I'll let you know in the next video what we're thinking about doing, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure your bell notification is turned on, and make sure you're keeping up to date with the builds and what's going on with the channel. So big plans ahead, big things are happening, so yeah, you don't want to miss out, guys. So yeah, make sure you stay around to the end. I'll give a little announcement as well, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the garage. So I'm just out of the car now, walking to the garage, and I can actually hear the little generator. Turn the camera around now. It's only a little bit loud, but I can see light underneath, so let's have a look. Aaron's over there doing a second coat in his engine bay. I haven't seen his car in the light in months. Very dirty. So there's the arches in the light, all painted, fresh, ready to be lacquered tonight. Once Aaron's finished the paint in the engine bay, I can get his lacquer in the engine bay, and then he's going to lacquer these, nub down the boot lid a little bit, get rid of all them little bumps on it, re-lacquer it, and then get these on the car Wednesday when I'm off. Just one quick coat of lacquer on the arches there now. Aaron's after blasting over to his engine bay. He's going to do a quick coat on that as well, and then do another coat, a heavier coat on that, and that'll be them done fine, ready for fitting on the car Wednesday. That's deadly stuff, that, isn't it? Literally said that lacquer stuff is alright, Aaron. He goes, yeah, it's alright when you have no compressor, but it'll just have to do for now anyway. Finally, great results. The arches are lacquered, no runs, nice and shiny. Arches will be on the car Wednesday. The car will be fully bolted together. Boot lid will be on Wednesday, arches will be on Wednesday. I'm going to take the back wheel off the car Wednesday, get the tyre sorted, see if it is a puncture or just a flat. I might pump it up and leave it for a bit, but everything else is ready to rock and roll to get this car finished next week. Right, that's 2 coats of lacquer on Aaron's engine bay. Looks sweet as. It's a really nice colour. I know it only looks like a flat black, but once you put the lacquer on it, you really see like there's good flake in it. It's really nice. It's going to be sweet with the engine in the engine bay. Boot lid is sorted and arches are lacquered. Right, that's it. Aaron's finished his engine bay now. I'm finished with the arches here now, and then the Mini will be gone from here next week and the Civic will be coming down, so that's the surprise. The Civic is getting done finally. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button, give it a like, give it a comment, say Aaron's a fat head, see how many comments I can get. So peace out and I'll see you in the next one, and be dedicated.